Hey there guys, welcome back to another PrizeCP Roblox Studio Tutorial. Today we're going to look at a new feature in Roblox. It's called the Real-Time Error Reports. This new feature was announced by Roblox about a month ago. This feature is going to allow you to check for errors inside your games. So let's now take a look at how we can access this new feature. Let's go to one of our games. I'm going to select Pebble Heaven. And I'm going to click on these three bars up here. I'm going to look for a section called Real Time. So the Real Time section here. And I'm going to click on Error Report. So this error report is going to show you all the errors that were created from the game as people played your game in the last 1 day. So let's take a look in the last 1 day. There is no error to report. So it means that there's no bug in the game, or maybe nobody played the game in the last 1 day. So let's check. How about in the last 7 days? No data to report. So there is no error in the last 7 days of this game. Let's take a look at last 30 days. And there you see all the errors. 2,385 errors were reported in the last 30 days. And you can scroll up to see all the different errors, and you can go through all these errors and then see why it's happening, and you can go to your game and try and fix the error. Alright guys, so that's the look at the new feature in Roblox that was announced like a month ago. It's called Real-Time Error Reports. Thank you all for watching. We will see you again soon.